Welcome back. Well, Manchester Memorial Hospital is part of the Eastern Connecticut Health Network. It's a small-town hospital that provides the services and procedures that much bigger hospitals provide.
But with that comes a community feel and compassionate care for their patients. And Irene O'Connor recently spoke to two surgeons who have some personal connections to the hospital. Take a look.
You might not realize it, but from emergency services to hip replacements, Manchester Memorial Hospital does it all.
We have all of the resources that one would find at a major academic center, and the overall support staff to help put all of this together to provide compassionate care to our patients.
General Surgeon Dr. Ian Jones says they cover and treat a wide variety of diseases at the hospital.
From benign and malignant breast cancers, we cover benign and malignant skin and soft tissue cancers, procedures that are done in the office, procedures that are done here in the operating room. We also cover a wide array of general surgery procedures to include all the different types of hernias you can think of. I mean, from inguinal hernias, ventral hernias, hiatal hernias.
All of this can be done in a minimally invasive way with technology like the Da Vinci surgical system.
We have cutting-edge robotic surgery here, not just one, but two of them, which is, unheard of in such a smaller institution. And so we are on the cutting edge of technology, where we are able to provide the resources to allow for the recovery that one would expect in a major academic institution.
So I think from an orthopedic perspective, we can do pretty much anything.
Dr. Colin Burgess is an orthopedic surgeon.
That includes everything like joint replacements, arthroscopic procedures where we make a couple small poke holes, do everything through a camera, pretty minimally invasive, as Dr. Jones was alluding to. Take care of any type of fractures to the upper lower extremities, ligament repairs, reconstructions. We cover the whole gamut here basically, and I trained at a bunch of major, larger institutions.
And in this hospital, you'll find it's just one stop for care.
You don't have to come see a surgeon, then get transferred out to see an oncologist, transferred out to see a radiation oncologist. All of that care is here. And on a bi-monthly basis, all the surgeons, breast surgeons, radiation oncologists, medical oncologists, we all come together twice a month to discuss breast cancer patient care and how can we provide the ultimate care for our patients.
For Dr. Burgess, Manchester Memorial is like a second home.
I grew up here in Manchester. I was actually born in this hospital. My mother used to work here, so I would every once in a while would pop by and visit her, so the hospital never seemed like a scary place to me. And then I actually had a job here early in my undergraduate years in the operating room working as an orderly, and that's kind of where I would say a lot of my passion for medicine and specifically orthopedic surgery came from.
So caring for patients here in his hometown is very personal.
I think it's hard to put into words, just to be able to, again, give back to the community that helped raise me and help mold me into the person I am. And I love it. They say if you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life, and I truly feel that way. I love coming here.
The hospital has received many awards from health grades, including a top hospital for critical care. But it's no surprise to Dr. Jones, he sees it in the way patients are treated here every day.
We provide passionate care to the pathologies that we see, right? But it is not just about the pathologies, not just about the diseases that we see, but we also truly care about the person, the patient that we care for. And that you can see walking around here at Manchester Memorial. Whether a patient comes in for an outpatient procedure, they are met with kindness.
And because of that culture of kindness, both of these surgeons say it's an honor to work here.
And so it is my job to now provide you with compassion. And I have a saying, do unto others as you wish done to you. right? And that is the philosophy here at Manchester. And that's what keeps me happy here, right? Because everyone embodies that.
So if you'd like to learn more about Manchester Memorial Hospital and Eastern Connecticut Health Network, all you have to do is visit echn.org.
All right. Still